illustration part of family budget method. Yesterday we see aggregate expenditure method. We will take the same data for this method. I will construct first of all a box data, same data from the yesterday, articles, rice, wheat, pulses, ghee, oil, clothing, firewood, house rent. First column is quantity consumed in the base year. That is Q0. Price in base year. That is P0. Price in current year. That is P1. Price relative for current year. R is equal to P1 divided by P0 into 100. I will mention it here. R is equal to P1 divided by P0 into 100. Weights value consumed in base year. W is equal to P0 Q0. I will mention it here. W is equal to P0 Q0. Product of price relative method. Product of price relative and weight, that is equal to RW. Same data, 5 quintal, 1 quintal, 2 quintal, 4 kgs, 5 liter, 40 meter, 10 quintal, 1 house. Price in the base year 24, 16, 12, 5, 4, 1, 2 and 20. Price in the current year 30, 20, 18, 6.25, then 5, 1.50, 2.50 and 25. R is equal to P1 divided by P0 into 100. P1, that is equal to 30 divided by 5 into 100. P1 equal to 30 divided by 24, which is equal to 1.25 into 100, that is equal to 125. 20 divided by 16 into 100, that is also equal to 125. 18 divided by 12 into 100, that is equal to 150. 6.25 divided by 5 into 100, it is equal to 125. 5 divided by 4 into 100, it is equal to 125. 1.50 divided by 1 into 100, it is equal to 150. 2.50 divided by 2 into 100, it is equal to 125. 25 divided by 20 into 100, it is equal to 125. Now weight value consumed in the base year, W is equal to P into Q0, P0 Q0. 24 into 5, P0 is equal to 24, Q0 is equal to 5. We have to multiply both of them, that is equal to 120. Same is the case. 16 ones are 16, 12 twos are 24, 4 fives are 20, 40 ones are 40, 10 twos are 20, sorry, 5 fours are 20, sorry, 5 fours are 20, 40 ones are 40, 10 twos are 20, 21 are 20, that is equal to P0 Q0. Now RW, R into W, 125 into 100, that is equal to 15,000. 16 into 125, it is equal to 2000. 24 into 150, that is equal to 3600. 20 into 125, that is equal to 2500. 20 into 125, that is also equal to 2500. 40 into 150, that is equal to 6000. 20 into 125, we have multiplied it, it is equal to 2500. Also 20 into 125, 2500. Now summation of W is equal to, when we sum up all these values, it becomes equal to 280, and summation of RW is equal to 36,600. We know according to the formula that we have now, CPI, consumer price index for current year, is equal to summation of RW divided by summation of W, which is equal to 36,600 divided by 280. 36,600 divided by 280, that is equal to 130.71. In our previous class when we sum up the values of the same data in the aggregate expenditure method, we got the same answer, 130.71. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Have a nice day.